Isa ka ba sa mga naghahanap ng work from home job this 2024? Well, meron ako i-share sa iyo na company na pwede kang kumita ng $5.5 per hour kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kuya Renny Boy. For today's video, may share ako sa inyong company na 100% work from home setup at pwede kang kumita ng $5.5 per hour. Make sure to watch this video until end kasi pwede kang mag-apply kahit high school graduate ka at kahit wala kang experience sa pagiging virtual assistant. Kaya kung bago ka lang sa channel ko at gusto mo rin ng mga ganitong uri ng content, don't forget to like this video at i-click yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para updated ka pa sa mga paparating kong videos. Bago ko ito umpisahan, shoutout sa nanalo ng 500 Gcash na nakaraang video ko. Kung gusto mo rin manalo, comment sa baba kung gaano ka pogi si Kuya Renny Boy. Without further ado, let's get started. Thank you for calling customer service. Welcome back sa channel ng mga swabe. Nagbabalik ang inyong lingkod, Kuya Renny Boy, para mag-share na naman sa inyo ng isang company na pwede ninyong applyan kahit wala kayong experience sa pagiging virtual assistant. Pwede pa kayong kumita ng $5.5 per hour. Bago natin ito umpisahan, syempre survey muna tayo sa lahat ng mga naghahanap ng work from home dyan. Comment sa baba, work from home. At sa mga naghahanap naman ng local account call center job, comment sa baba ng local account. Grabe guys, alam ko hindi na kayo makapag-antay na i-reveal ko yung pangalan ng company na to na pwede ninyong applyan. Pero guys, sobrang recommended lang talaga ni Kuya Renny Boy kasi meron siyang pa-training at meron pa siyang certification. Kapag nalusto ninyo yung training nila, magkakaroon ka ng certificate and at the same time, pwede ka na makalan sa first client mo. So, tignan natin magkano nga ba ang pwede mong kitain kapag sumasahod ka ng $5.5 per hour. Okay, 5.5, okay? Times natin magkano pa conversion ngayon. Let's say, 56 pesos kada $1. Okay? So, meron kang 308 pesos kada isang oras. At sa loob ng isang araw, ilang oras ka mag-work? For example, 8 hours ka mag-work. 308 times 8 is equals to 2,464 pesos. So, pwede kang sumahod sa isang araw ng 2,464 pesos. Isang araw lang yan. So, let's say, ilang beses ka bang mag-work sa isang linggo? Let's say, 5 times a week. Okay? So, times natin siya sa 5. So, meron kang 12,320 pesos in just 1 week. Ilang week meron sa isang buwan? Times natin siya ngayon sa 4. Kasi diba, 4 na linggo sa loob ng isang buwan. Times 4 natin siya. So, possible ka daw kumita ng 49,000 pesos. 49,280 pesos. 80 times ko lang siya sa 56. I'm not sure, parang 58 yata ang conversion ngayon. I'm not sure guys, sa comment sa baba, magkano ba ang palitan ngayon ng dollars to peso? Comment down. So yun yung possible mong kitain. Grabe naman yan, Kuya Renny Boy. Ang sarap pala magtrabaho dyan. Kanina pa kami nag-aantay, anong company yan? Sabihin mo na kasi. Grabe ka ha, pinipressure mo ako ha. Pero ito na, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, ang company na tinutukoy ni Kuya Renny Boy ay walang iba kundi Pineapple Staffing or Pineapple Virtual Assistant Hub. Actually guys, si Pineapple ay na-feature ko na sa nakaraang video ko. Ang kagandahan kasi kay Pineapple guys, talaga ang hinahire nila mga virtual assistant or business virtual assistant ay puro Pinoy. Although established or mainly located po sila sa Arizona, USA, yung mga kinukuha talaga nilang virtual assistant ay puro galing sa Philippines. Kasi gustong-gusto nila yung mga Pinoy magtrabaho, napaka-dedicated, napakasipag, mapagkakatiwalaan, kahit i-micromanage mo, talagang sumusunod. Si Pineapple VA guys, hiring po sila sa position ng accounting and bookkeeping, administrative tasks, executive assistance, sales and marketing. Meron din po sila para sa kanilang social media management, graphic design, web design, photo, video, and audio editing. Hiring din po sila guys sa kanilang legal research and writing, qualifying potential clients, client intake and onboarding, drafting legal documents. Grabe guys, napakaraming opportunities dito sa company na to, kaya it's a must try. Sa mismong website pa lang guys, talagang maa-attract ka na. Sabi dito guys, unbeatable pay rates. Experience a competitive pay rate higher than any other company in the industry with long-term benefits you can trust. Grabe, silang pinaka hindi mo matatalong company when it comes to pay rates. Medyo doubtful ako dito kasi marami naman na nag-o-offer ngayon. Yung iba, grabe, kumikita ng $10 per hour, $12 per hour, $15 per hour. Yung iba, 20 pataas. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, meron po silang free training. Receive the free training with a certificate upon completion, helping you advance in your chosen field. Okay, usapang work from home, 100% po, legit po sila. Experience better work-life balance through a permanent work from home position, no more long commute time, more time for you and your family to spend together. So, mas marami kang time para sa pamilya mo. Hindi mo na kailangan makipagsapalaran sa matinding traffic. Alam mo yun, hindi ka kakabahan malate kasi pagising mo, nandiyan lang yung computer mo, hindi mo na kailangan magmadali. At kapag naiinip ka na sa bahay ninyo, may sarili kang laptop, pwede ka pumunta sa mall, sa beach, sa restaurant, sa Starbucks, para makapagtrabaho. So, honest review lang, ang pinaka-downside lang talaga niya is mostly US clients. Katulad na nabanggit ko kanina, Arizona, USA, yung pinaka-headquarters nila. So, most likely, yung mga clients nila dito ay US. So, graveyard shift. Panggabi po, ang trabaho usually dito sa Pineapple. Passionate community daw sila. Be part of a growing, passionate, and dedicated Pineapple family. Join our official Facebook page. So, meron silang page, guys. Click nyo na lang dyan. So, para makapag-apply kay Pineapple VA, guys, just follow the 5 easy steps. Number 1, application. To apply sa Pineapple VA, simply submit your online application. So, ito po, hihingin po dito yung resume ninyo or cover letter. Tapos, number 2, screening. Our recruitment team will screen your application. Once you pass the screening, your recruitment specialist will reach out to you with the details of your interview schedule. So, kapag nakapagpasa ka na ng application ng resume mo or ng CV, number 2, i-screen ka daw po. Makakatanggap naman kayo ng email confirmation kapag may schedule na po yung interview ninyo. Number 3, interview. Siyempre, you will have one-on-one interview with one of our recruitment specialists. Once you pass the interview, you need to complete and pass a written assessment before we schedule you for system audit. Okay? So, kailangan nyo daw munang tapusin or mapasa yung written assessment bago tayo mag-proceed. So, number 4, so, kailangan nyo daw muna makomplete or mapasa yung written assessment para ma-schedule kayo for a system audit. System audit, guys, i-check po yung mga, yung specs ng computer ninyo, kung ano ba yung mga equipments na meron ka, like laptop, computer, webcam, headset, headphone, ganyan, kung may noise cancellation ba yan, at kung pasok ba yung specification dun sa kinakailangan nila. Number 4, certification program. You need to complete and pass our 2-week certification program. This follows a graveyard shift from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Manila time. You will be evaluated based on your attendance, behavior, participation, and the quality of your output from the given activities. So, base pa lang sa narinig ninyo, meaning to say, i-evaluate na kayo, guys, within 2 weeks, okay? Kung kayo ba ay nakakapag-comply, nakakasunod ba kayo ng tama, accurate ba yung ginagawa ninyo para dun sa mga activities na binibigay sa inyo. Tapos, attendance, behavior, napaka-importante. Attendance lang, guys, sabi ko sa inyo, kompletuhin nyo lang yung attendance ninyo, huwag kayong malagi na late, dapat mindful kayo when it comes to tardiness. Mataas ang chance ninyo makapasa dito. So, number 5, ito na yung pinakamasarap, guys. Client to VA matching. Graduates from the program will be certified virtual assistant of Pineapple. You will be matched with the client based on your profile and skill set. We will be with you from the start until you are paired with an ideal client. So, meaning to say, i-guide po kayo ni Pineapple VA or company na yun, makahanap ng tamang client para sa inyo na lang magmamatch dun sa skill, okay, na meron po kayo. For example, magaling ka sa video editing. Well, ang hahanapin nilang client para sa'yo is yung naghahanap ng video editor. Kung ikaw naman ay magaling sa marketing or sales, well, ang hahanapin nilang client para sa'yo ay yung naghahanap ng mga marketing specialist. Yun po yung tinatawag natin na client to VA matching. So, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga requirements, okay? Dapat daw meron kayong experience. Hindi ibig sabihin nito, dapat meron kayong virtual assistant experience. So, kahit anong klase ng experience meron kayo, basta relevant sa mga nabanggit, like law and legal industry, health and wellness, healthcare, e-commerce, business consulting, recruitment or staffing, accounting and finance, real estate, sales and marketing, digital marketing, preferably has virtual assistant experience of at least 6 months. Actually, hindi naman na talaga nila tinitignan yung VA experience mo. Ang importante lang talaga sa kanila, meron kang relevant experience. For example, nag-work ka before as a call center agent, nag-work ka sa Jollibee as a fast food crew, well, may mga sales pa rin na relevant dun sa skills na kinakailangan nila. Or kung di naman kaya, nag-work ka dati as an online seller. Diba? Kahit pa paano, related siya dito, guys. So, sa digital marketing at saka sa, sa sales and marketing. Okay? So, pwede ka pa rin mag-apply dito sa Pineapple VA. So, proficiency in the following tools is preferred but not required. Okay? Kailangan may alam tayo sa CRM, database tools like Kajabi, HubSpot, or similar platforms. When we say CRM, guys, or content or customer relation management, ito po yung mga ginagamit ng mga tools to communicate with your customer, na nagsisave ng mga data, nag-organize ng mga information. Yan po yung tinatawag na CRM. So, most likely, yung mga call center agents dyan, familiar sila when it comes to CRM. E-commerce tools like Shopify, Amazon, etc. social media platforms and applications. So, siguro kung may TikTok kayo, YouTube, may idea na kayo dyan. Google Workspace. So, kung ngayon hindi kayo gumagamit ng Google Calendar, Google Sheets, Google Forms, dapat ngayon pa lang aralin nyo na. Microsoft Office, like yung mga, tawag dito yung mga operations like Excel, PowerPoints yan, dapat kahit papano, may idea kayo dyan. Application requirements. Must have a valid government ID. Dapat meron ka yan. Must be 18 years old and above. You should be able to work on the graveyard shift, US time zone. Katulad ng sabi ko kanina, graveyard nga siya. Have a quiet work environment and professional, neutral background with decent lighting. Okay, when we say decent lighting, dapat okay po yung ilaw natin kapag nag-work tayo. Maliwanag yung mukha natin, kahit hindi na masyado yung background. Neutral background yung kailangan nila. When we say neutral, kailangan plain lang. Walang masyadong nakalagay dyan, or kung di naman kaya, walang mga tao na dumadaan-daan. Mas maganda, plain lang po yung background natin. So kung naalala nyo kanina, nabanggit ko tatlo, BVA, Business Virtual Assistant, pangalawa, MVA, Multimedia Virtual Assistant, pangatlo, Legal Virtual Assistant, or LVA. So sa MVA naman, ang pinaka-requirements nila or sa Multimedia, must have verified skills or experience in any of the following: digital marketing, social media management, SEO or search engine optimization, photo and video editing, audio editing, graphic design, other multimedia skills, motion graphics, 2D or 3D modeling, digital illustration, and voiceovers, web design, web development. So, hindi naman kailangan totally lahat meron nito, okay? Sabi nga dito, must have verified skills or experience in any of the following. So, kahit may idea lang kayo sa social media management, sa SEO, yan, pwede pa rin kayo mag-apply dito sa Pineapple VA. Job qualification, you are comfortable with virtual technologies and can learn weekly. Mabilis kayo matuto. You are willing to meet with clients via video calls frequently for projects, updates, and requirements. You are open to handling digital platforms like social media accounts and e-commerce business profiles of clients. You can take constructive criticism positively and use that to improve your work and production techniques. Meaning to say, hindi pwede dito balat sibuyas, okay? You can follow instructions precisely. You can properly manage a schedule. You can connect with a variety of people and build a strong and friendly rapport. You have good attention to detail, especially in written reports, video conversations, texts, and emails, so accuracy is a must. Must be proficient in verbal and written English communication skills. And when it comes to application requirements, halos katulad lang rin doon sa BVA, must have a valid government ID, tapos 18 years old and above. May sarili daw kayo dapat na laptop or desktop, and dapat may idea kayo sa paggamit ng Photoshop, Premiere Pro, etc. etc. So, ito yung mga softwares na ginagamit for video editing or photo editing. So, hardware and software requirements naman tayo. Sabi dito, have a reliable high-speed internet connection at least 10 Mbps for download and upload. Grabe si Converge, diba? Naumabot naman ng 45 to 100 Mbps yung sinusupply niya internet. So, qualified kayo dito kung naka-converge kayo or PLDT. Must have a wired DSL or fiber internet connection. Have reliable computer hardware and software will be verified by our tech team. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina sa inyo na system audit. Okay? Kumbaga, i-check naman nila dito kung meron ba talaga kayong equipments na nararapat at kayang-kayang i-handle yung mga system na gagamitin para sa trabaho ninyo. Sabi dito, minimum hardware requirements, 2.4 GHz processor, 6 GB of RAM, 1024 by 768 resolution, browsers and internet, Chrome, Firefox, functional internet speeds of 10 Mbps, operating system, dapat Windows 10 or OS X 10.10. Device requirements, an HD 720p, 16:9 webcam, a headset with a noise isolation, microphone feature. So, ilang hours ka daw pwede mag-work sa isang linggo? Virtual assistants under Pineapple work as little as 10 to 29 hours per week for part-timers, while full-time VAs work 30 to 40 hours per week. Ito yung palagi ko sinasabi. Usually, i-require talaga kayo na mag-work at least 40 hours per week, especially kung full-time VA yung ina-apply ninyo. Pero at least, di ba, mas maraming dollars yun. Nag-accept nga ba ng part-timer si Pineapple Virtual Assistant? Yes, okay. Nagtatanggap daw po sila ng part-time roles. However, you need to complete our 13-day certification program following a graveyard shift from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Manila time. So, may training nga ba si Pineapple VA? Yes, we really invest in training our VAs with our highly skilled trainers in Pinya family. We do provide resources via webinars, mentors, and coaching, and have a community in Facebook where Pineapple VA shares their experience with each other. So, napakagandang community nito dahil meron silang palibreng training para sa'yo. What is the application process like and how long is it? Conducted over email and a video conference call, our application process consists of a skills assessment and one interview. So, one interview lang daw. Be on the lookout for trypineapple.com email address. Once your application is submitted, most candidates move from the skills assessment to the interview within a week or two. So, yun guys, just make a follow-up kung nakapagsabit na kayo ng application. Mag-follow up lang kayo na mag-follow up para ma-forward kayo sa next process ninyo. Sa mga gusto mag-apply, ilalagay ko na lang po yung link dyan sa description. So that's it for today's video. Sana may nakuha ulit kayo knowledge dito sa video na to ni Kuya Renny Boy. Sa mga gusto mag-apply, pwede nyo nang itry yan. By the way guys, si Kuya Renny Boy nga pala, nag-work ako ngayon as a social media manager for part-time and kumikita ako ng $1,200 per month. Actually yan, kakasahod ko lang. And na-feel ko na it's time na siguro para i-share sa inyo yung ultimate online course na nagamit ko para makatulong sa akin kumita ng dollars monthly. Itong online course na to guys ay sobrang solid dahil marami kayong matututunan when it comes to social media management, WordPress, Canva, Facebook ads, at marami pang iba. Especially when it comes to freelancing, sobrang dami yung mapupulot dito. At ang kagandahan guys, naka 299 pesos lang kapag kinlik nyo yung link dyan sa baba. Kapag sa website, sa mismong website po kayo umorder, 1,499 pesos yan. Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, mag-avail na kayo ng habang naka 299 pa siya. And ang kagandahan guys, mamili po ako sa comment section ng 5 mananalo ng libreng ultimate course na yan. Comment lang sa baba ng hashtag Kuya Renny Boy. Before we end this video, shoutout and congratulations sa lahat ng graduates sa ating Bold Minds Academy Batch 33. Okay, sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-enroll at tumabol sa Batch 34, next week na yung start niyan, pwede pa kayo humabol. Libo-libo na naging call center agents and hopefully, ikaw na ang susunod. Comment lang sa baba ng hashtag scholar at i-PM nyo sa Facebook page ko, Kuya Renny Boy Official, dahil magkakaroon ka ng certificate. After 1 month, marami kang matututunan, may improve yung English communication skills mo na pwede mo rin magamit sa freelancing kasi required talaga dito ay English communication skills. At napakaswerte ng mga nanonood ngayon ng video na to dahil lahat na mag-e-enroll sa Bold Minds Academy makakatanggap ng libreng ultimate online course galing kay Kuya Renny Boy. Yun pong 299 kanina, ibibigay ko yun sa inyo ng libre kapag nag-enroll kayo. I-message nyo na ako ngayon sa Facebook page ko, Kuya Renny Boy Official. See you on my next video.